Welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the Mercedes-Benz G4, kind of a staff car of World War II, and actually the one that Hitler had, I think. So, yeah. Now what I'm doing, of course, is removing all these screw pieces, but there's also some support plastic here. So I'm just clipping away like this. That's what you should do, and I just grab and cut away that plastic. And then let's do this side. Of course, if you wish, you could sand it down as well. Up to you. So this front piece is done. Let's go ahead and work on this back piece. Now, there's quite a bit of this support plastic, so just clip away like this. And we clip away the whole piece like that. And then clip away these pieces like that. And sand that down if you wish as well. It's not done though. Keep going with your clippers, clipping away this, and just take all of this plastic away. Yeah. There's still more. There you go. And then, all right, there you go. That should be done now. The back piece. Now it's this piece. There's just a little bit of cutting away for this. Carefully take your clippers or whatever tool you have decided to use for this process. Clip away that, and then clip away that. There, so the exhaust pipe thing is now free. And I'm going to fast forward this process. It's really self-explanatory. Just take and cut away these screws. Alright, so we are done the clipping away process for this kit. So now let's go ahead and separate those two tires, and then here's all these tires. But first of all, let's take and glue together the two halves of this model. So go ahead and we're going to put some glue there, some glue there. There you go. And then carefully place this model together. Alright, so the two halves of this model are glued together. Now, it's always good to test fit things before you place them in. But yeah, you want to place this piece there. Let's test fit that first, make sure. Yeah, it does. So, go ahead and just put a dab of glue in the center there. Just enough to get it securely placed in there. And then get this piece placed in there. So I was a bit too rough apparently, and it didn't glue enough. So let's just apply a little more glue and try to get this in position. Now pressing firmly to try to get that bond there. All right, so now the body of this car is done, looking good. Now what I'm gonna do is glue on the spare tires. So you can put some glue like I showed you, some down there and then some there on that side. You want to pay attention to these tires. There's one little edge there that should be on this side, and the one with the little edge should be on the other side. So just get that in there. Now let's do the other side. Very good. There is the spare tires. So now what's left is we have the tires to be putting on one side here. So the advice I give you is just make sure that the axle is going in the center of the tire. If the axle goes in the center, it would be good. All right, let's put it on the other side. Look good. Just remember the axle should be in the center. One left to do. And of course, make sure the wheels are touching the surface of the table. So there you have it, the Mercedes G4 from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. This is the covered version. We also have the one, another video for that, the one without the canopy top, the covered version. Thank you.